Today I am trying Nature's Bakery Fig Bar, and it's the raspberry flavored. So I went and watched a Pittsburgh Steelers game in Pittsburgh over the weekend, and I'm currently filming this from Pittsburgh, my Airbnb in Pittsburgh. I found these fig bars at a 7-Eleven in Pittsburgh. So here's what a Nature's Bakery raspberry fig bar looks like. Let me try it for you. I actually really like this. Normally, I'm not a big raspberry fan, but I'll be honest, I think this is really good. And I'm shocked to say that I liked it. So I highly recommend you try Nature's Bakery raspberry fig bars.